Hi all, welcome to my channel and welcome to the new video. So today we'll be discussing something about like how to convert .py, the Python file, to the executable file, that is .exe file. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Like with the help of this, what you can do is, maybe if you have any exe that you want to run to some other PC or any laptop, okay, so you can directly take it to that particular PC and directly you can run it. So okay, let us start. So basically you need one file, okay, that you need to import. I'll tell you how to import that. Okay, first we'll see how we can install that. So directly from the file you can go to settings and then project interpreter. As usually we'll just click on the add option, and here you can search for the PyInstaller. Okay, since it is already installed in my PC, that's why it's in blue color, otherwise it would be in the black one. Okay, and then you can install the package from here. After installing, okay, then just you need to run one command. Okay, but before that, what we can do is we'll create one file. Okay, and then we will convert that .py to .exe. Okay, so okay, we'll just have a simple thing. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, this is a simple thing. Okay, so I have created one file. This is doing nothing, just it will be printing. Okay, then just go to that particular. So okay, yeah. So here I have the print. Okay, the print.py file. You can see it's a py file, and over there you can do one thing. Just write here the cmd. You will directly go to that particular path. Write py installer and then the name of your file. So I write print.py. Okay, hit enter, that's all. Okay, then once it will finish, then you can see it is still continuing actually. So once it will finish, you can see there will be a folder name as the dist folder. Okay, so now you can see, yeah, it's done, it's completed successfully. Just go to the dist folder. Okay, here you got one folder, print, go inside that. Oh, so we just wanted one exe, but we got a lot of other files. Okay, okay, okay. Let us see whether it's working or not. Then we'll look into that part. Okay, okay. The problem is now it is showing something, but we were not able to see it. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll just give some delay. Okay, so import time. So time basically that will be helpful for the delay. Okay, sleep. So just for hundreds. Yes. Okay, and then again I'll do the same process, because again we have to create another, we have done some changes, right? So for that we have to do again the complete step. Okay, okay, it is telling all these concerns will be removed. We want to continue. Yes, we want to continue. Okay, yeah, it's done. Now we can, okay, yeah, see. So hi all, welcome to the my video. Okay, so you can create like this, but now the other thing is we are getting a lot of other files with that. So what we can do for that, again open cmd. Okay, and just write PyInstaller. Okay, and then for we have to write open file, and what will be the script name. So our script is print.py. That's all. So it will give you only one file. Okay, let us see how it will work. Okay, now its build is successful. Again to the same folder you have to go. Sorry, dist. Okay, here you can see only one. This was the earlier one. Okay, this we can delete. See, now you can see, if you have any confusion, I'll delete the complete folder. I have deleted this. Okay, I'll run it once again. Yeah, now this is again done. Yeah, so it's done. Okay, so this is the method that you can use. This is very simple thing, so you can convert directly the .py to .exe. So that's all from my side in this video. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.